Good afternoon, product development and innovation students. Welcome to week 4. Congratulations on making it to the midpoint of this class. Frankly, you've all done a really fantastic job, and I have really enjoyed the level of conversations that we've had in the discussion boards, and I love the analytical aspects and problem-solving strategies that you've used in your written assignments as well. It really has been a pleasure working with you thus far. So again, congratulations and good job there. It is kind of a big week for us in this class. We have quite a few things on our plate, so I just want to go through a few of those things and just make sure that we're all on the same page. So first thing you're going to do is read chapters 8 and 9. Chapter 8 is going to talk to you a little bit more about go, no-go decision making. We discussed that very early on in this class, and now we're going to revisit that and talk about evaluation methodology that can be used at different points in the product development life cycle to really sort of cue a business into whether they should continue developing a new product or stop at any given stage. And so we'll go through a couple of those models in that chapter. And then in chapter 9, we're going to get into concept evaluation. And really what we're talking about there in that concept stage is how do we find a way to figure out if a product will be successful without investing significant research and development dollars in it? Sometimes that's very difficult for a company to be able to do. And so we'll talk about some of the strategies that some of the bigger companies use and how that might help us understand whether a product will succeed in the market once it gets to the point where you invest and start producing it. So those are what our 2 chapters are going to prepare for us to understand this week. We do obviously have a discussion, and I'll look forward to hearing about your pivot ideas, which is really what we're going to be talking about this week is tell us how we might change a product based on your evaluation. So that will be fun to see what you come up with there. And in your written assignment, we're going to ask you to look at some other other models of innovation. We're going to have you link out to a website that has quite a few different models that are tried and tested out in the market, and kind of see what you think about those different methodologies as well. So that's your written assignment. You have a regular quiz on chapters 8 and 9 as you normally do. And then most importantly, you have your midterm this week, which is a test on chapters 1 through 9. I have published a study guide in the text-based announcement for this week for you as well. So please do pull that out, print it, and look up those concepts and just refamiliarize yourself with each of those concepts prior to taking the exam. I have set the time limit at 3 hours, which should be ample time for everyone to be able to successfully complete that. Just take your time, breathe, and go through those questions really deliberately, and just double check your work, practice good test taking strategies as I'm sure you do in all of your quizzes in this course and your other courses. So with that, I would say please reach out to me if you need anything at all. I'm always here to support you. I'm here to watch you continue in this class successfully. I'll probably will be reaching out to a few of you at the beginning of at the beginning of week 5 to talk a little bit about how to get caught up if you're just a little bit underpassing. But other than that, I again, really just want to thank you for all the work and dedication that you put into this class. Talk to you soon.